A crawl space is a common type of foundation, but why wouldn't all homes have a crawl space? Stay tuned to hear why all homes don't have crawl spaces. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. When it comes to choosing a foundation for a home to be built, it's not one size fits all. In this video, I'll explain the advantages, disadvantages of a crawl space foundation and why all homes don't have a crawl space. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. So there's a couple advantages to having a crawl space over, say, a slab home. And that's one, easy accessibility to your plumbing and electrical. All that's ran throughout the crawl space, and so if it needs repaired, it can be easily accessed without taking up the slab or anything like that. One of the big advantages of crawl space over a basement is cost. You're not digging as deep, you don't have as much concrete or block, and so crawl spaces tend to be much cheaper than a basement. There's a couple big disadvantages to having a crawl space. One is a little bit what I talked about with the basement. It's not as deep. So you run a little bit higher risk of that foundation sitting on more unstable soil than if it was a basement. The other big disadvantage to a crawl space is it has a dirt floor. What this allows is easy access to moisture on the subfloor of your home. So that wood structure of the subfloor can be exposed to moisture for long periods of time, causing damage over time. Every home is a little bit different, depending on the goals of the homeowner, whether it's additional living space, which is the reason they go to a basement, or it's expense, and which is why they go towards a shallower slab foundation. So it's just one of those things of a homeowner's preference, but each type of foundation has its pros and cons, and it's just very important to know what those are before you buy or build a home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have more questions about crawl spaces? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.